Step into the world of feline giants. Discover the top 5 biggest house cats you need to know. First, the majestic Maine Coon, renowned for its size and luxuriant fur. Next, the robust Ragdoll, a breed that's as cuddly as it is large. Third, the Siberian cat, a natural athlete with a hardy constitution. Then the sturdy Norwegian forest cat, a creature of mythical proportions. And finally, the impressive British Shorthair, known for its solid build and round face. These are the top 5 biggest house cats, each with their own unique charm.